Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by validating prerequisites. Get installed and your GitHub account ready with a personal access token. Once done, open IntelliJ and enable version control support. This gives you the Git menus and VCS tool window. Then configure your Git identity in Settings, Set User. Name and User. Email because commits require attribution. Finally, keep the token handy. You'll use it for authentication in the next step, and this avoids password prompts and enforces modern security. You now add GitHub in IntelliJ's settings under version control. Choose GitHub and authenticate using your personal access token. This stores a secure connection. Once authenticated, either clone a repository through VCS right arrow, get from version control, or initialize a new project and enable Git. If creating new, set the remote with Git remote add origin, and then commit your initial files. Use IntelliJ's push dialog to send commits upstream. It shows branches, and to finish, verify the connection. Run git remote v and confirm pushes use the correct origin. Make a test commit and push. IntelliJ will prompt if authentication fails. If you see auth errors, regenerate the personal access token, ensure repo scopes are included, or switch to SSH keys and add them to your GitHub account and IntelliJ. If push rejects due to conflicts, fetch, resolve merges using IntelliJ's merge tool or the command line. Then commit and push again. That completes the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.